Spark plugs and coils on a Honda Ridgeline. Working back there right now. Yeah, I could do it with no light, but I'm using a light. This is Goose-Grip swivel stick with remote M12 Milwaukee powered remote mounted battery with magnets. We'll take that and we'll mount it on the hood right there. And I've got the light positioned in there. Pay no attention to the fact that I bent that the other day. That's okay, I can change it out because I manufacture them. I just straightened it out. And if the same thing happened to you, if you bought it, I'd change it out for you for free too. I'm gonna turn on the light right there, and there, you got light, and bend it at any angle, any pitch, down, up, ballerina. But I got all the light you'd ever want, and it's not in my way. Anyway, it's available on Goose-Grip.com. This is the swivel stick work light with remote mounted battery, and I think it is on the website for $149. It's got a lifetime warranty plus shipping. Doesn't come with the battery. Absolutely awesome. Don't tell me about your headlights that you wear on your head, how great they are, because they're not. Because I'm fixing 42 years, I'm fixing cars, and I've tried to wear them on my head, and it is awful. I get a headache, I get itchy, the light heats up. But if you're that guy that's happy with your $40 light, that's fine. I won't try to sell you on this, but this light is the holy grail of a work light. It is not in your way. Look how thin that thing is. Okay, you can mount it and stick it in places. It's only 14 millimeters wide, 9 millimeters thick. You can put it in places that no other light will go, and that's because it has a really, really cool magnet and swivel, which is nothing's off the shelf. You couldn't even build this yourself. That swivel was manufactured, prototype, just for me, just for Goose-Grip. Cost a fortune to make. 303 stainless steel. Lets this light bend at any angle, rotate like an airplane propeller or like a ballerina. And 6061 aluminum. Even the screws are stainless steel. And polyurethane resin lens, greater than CRI of 90, sunlight's 100. Completely waterproof to 28 feet. Really stealthy. Put it any way you want, you know. You can stick it in places no other light will go because of it being so thin, you know. And in this case, I'm simply going to use it today because I need light to put coils and plugs. Anyway, Goose-Grip swivel stick work light and remote mounted battery housing available on Goose-Grip.com. You'd have to have rocks in your head to not buy this, because it pays for itself the first week you have it. You'll see. You'll see. Blows away all your flip lights. The reason I know this, because I'm fixing cars 42 years, and I have all of them. Switchblade, every brand there is. Matco, Mac, Streamlight. I don't use any of them. They're in the garage or in the back of my truck on the ground with dead batteries. I use Goose-Grip. And there's 4 lights, not just this one. There's this one, and then there's the suction cup model that attaches to the windshield and has a bendable gooseneck, and then there's a vice grip model that is used when you're using on a lift under the car. Attach it to anything you want, exhaust pipe, cross-member chassis, control arm. And then we have the other light, the 39-inch stick light, which lets you to do inspections in places like in front of the running engine by the belt and pulleys. Anyway, take a look. You won't regret buying this. I'm out.